Baby, sit down with us, bend down with us. You know me have a fat talk for you. I've been waiting. Nobody nothing knows.
What's poppin'? We're back with the Scorpiontouch. Today we're making pineapple and shrimp bowl. So you're gonna start off by washing the pineapples and the shrimp. Sorry for the background noise. And I do not own any rights to any songs or sound that you may hear in the video. So we're gonna start by cutting pineapple. I'm gonna cut them in half. The reason why we cutting them in half is because we're gonna use the actual pineapple as a bowl instead of getting a bowl. We're gonna be fancy. So I cut it, each pineapple 2 different ways. This one I cut on a sideways to see if that was easier to cut. And then for the second pineapple, I'm going to cut it vertical instead of horizontal. But either way it go, you gotta be standing up when you cut a pineapple. It is so hard to cut it. Well, yep, one bigger than the other on that one. So, see if this one makes it even. Yeah, I think it's just me who suck at cutting a pineapple. Look at that. I just make that mine. And that's kind of a little easier. So now we're gonna cut the inside of the pineapple to turn it into a bowl where you can actually stuff it with the rice and the shrimp and the pineapple toppings. Honestly, if your pineapple is set, let it sit for a few more days, a little longer, then it might be easier to cut. Split it in half and cut the inside. But my pineapples was part of it was still going, and then the other part was like soft enough to cut. But how y'all doing today? Like, how's it going? I'm chilling. You can clearly see I mean good. And it didn't take long, honestly, to make this. Everything went simple, easy, and fast. But look how easy that is. Just to make a bowl. Like, that's how deep you want it to be. You pack as much stuff, just get your own add a little extra to it. Make it as deep as you want it to be. Y'all be watching out for my next videos of cooking. I might throw down in the kitchen with some etouffee and get some of my uncle's seasoning. Or make a little crawfish ball. I don't know yet. Look at that. That is a juicy pineapple. Shout out to the nail place in Texas that did my nails for my birthday. They was cute. You could clearly see my real fingernails grew fast. But they was cute and still looking good, even though my nails growing.
That's a great slogan too. Losing our son was the best thing that ever happened to us.
Alright, y'all. So we got the shrimp in a pie with a couple of seasonings. Got some butter. Put a little bit of flour. Some pineapple. Gonna be adding in next. Add some old baked crawfish ball juice, just to give it a spice to it, like a kick. Then we're gonna add a pineapple juice to loosen it up. I'm not gonna add the pineapple shit. I got creamy that's getting. Now I'm gonna add pineapples in it. I got a bowl for put with the shrimps, and then I have another bowl where I'm gonna use as toppings. Add some paprika. Add a little bit more pineapple juice. Little Tony's, can go wrong with the Tony's with the more spice. Now, if y'all don't want it spicy, you don't have to use the more spice. You can just use the regular Tony still gonna do this, y'all. Got the bowls. I'm gonna add a little bit of rice to the bowl first. Give it a fresh cooked rice to go with the pineapple and the shrimp. So we're gonna fill the bowl up with some rice first. Alright. Now I'm gonna add the pineapple shrimp. I'm gonna turn it off. Look at that. Now if it ain't creamy, you ain't doing something right. Look at that sauce. You can't tell me that don't look like it's gonna be buzzing. Finished product. Bam. Okay, so look at that, a shell in a... Y'all don't be like me. Peel this tails off the shrimp so this won't happen to you. I'm from the south, so this spiciness is really buzzing to me. It's really good. Don't even need hot sauce for it. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. And this is a Scorpiontouch signing off. Deuces. Peace.